avocado and shrimp sauce cocktail, or, in French in the text, avocat aux crevettes sauce cocktail. To make this traditional but nonetheless delicious recipe, you will need perfectly ripe avocados, peeled shrimps, cocktail sauce, olives, and chopped chives. Place the shrimps in a bowl. Add a little bit of the cocktail sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Mix to coat the shrimps. Add a little bit of chopped chives. Taste. Very tasty. I was going to say rectify the seasoning, but it's perfect. What can I do? Prepare the avocado then. So cut the avocado in half, up to the pit. Then twist. Great, that's beautiful. Remove the pit. Use a pomme noisette boiler. This is a pomme parisienne boiler. The difference is the same idea as a melon boiler, but different sizes. In diameters, pomme noisette is 22 millimeters and pomme parisienne is 25 millimeters. Melon boiler is around 30, so it's bigger. Use the pomme noisette boiler to make avocado balls. My avocado is very ripe, it's perfectly ripe, a bit sticky. And try not to change the shape of the avocado here, even though if I did a little bit. Prepare the other one, remove the stem. Twist. Sometimes you may use a knife and remove the pit like so. If you're going to serve this hors d'oeuvre, let's say in an hour or two, you will brush a little bit of lemon juice on the top here to avoid browning. Here we are going to do it, we are going to serve it right away, so we don't need to do that. Fill the avocado, so first of all, divide the shrimp in 2 and then in 4, thus you will know how much you have to use. About, just to give you an idea. Okay, so my avocado is not totally straight, so I'm going to cut it a little bit just to be able to set it. There we go. Perfect. Position the shrimp in the center. Serve. Place back the bowl around. Add a little bit of black olive. On the top and serve. Repeat the operation for the other ones. Avocat aux crevettes, sauce cocktail. Bon appétit. Enjoy this wonderful hors d'oeuvre.